This is John Weathersby, Weathersby Chevrolet in Indianola. And this is my friend Lucky. Lucky lives here at Weathersby Chevrolet. We invite you to come in and see Lucky and price a new Chevrolet car truck from us today. We're the laid-back, low-price dealer in the Delta. Buy a truck from us, just like your daddy did. We love Weathersby Chevrolet this much, don't we?